Tired of sending plain, boring emails from Yahoo Mail? Learn how to change font size and color in under a minute. I will show you exactly where to find the formatting tools and how to apply them to your text. Let us start. Alright, the very first thing you need to do is sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Now this is the easy part. Just head over to the Yahoo website, click that Mail button, or go straight to mail.yahoo.com and log in with your email address and password. Once you are in, you will see your main inbox. So now that we are logged in, go ahead and click the Compose button. It is usually a big button up in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You cannot miss it. This will open up a new blank email draft for us to work with. Now, before we can change any font settings, we actually need some text to work with. So just click inside the main body of the email, that big white area below the subject line, and type out your message. It does not have to be long. Just a few words will do for now, because we are about to format it. And here is the really important part. To change the font for existing text, you have to tell Yahoo which text you want to change. So click and drag your mouse across the words you just typed. You will see them turn a different color as they become highlighted. If you want to format everything in the email, you can press Ctrl+A on a PC or Command+A on a Mac to highlight it all at once. With your text still highlighted, look down at the very bottom of the Compose window. You will see a row of icons. There is a paperclip for attachments, a smiley face for emojis, and right next to those, a small icon that looks like a capital A with a little paintbrush next to it. That is the Formatting Options icon. Go ahead and click that. A toolbar will pop up right above your text. This is where all the magic happens. You will see options for bold, italics, and lists, but we are after the font size first. Look for the button that says Font Size. It usually shows a number like small, medium, or large. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of sizes ranging from tiny all the way up to huge. Now just pick the size that feels right for your message. I usually go with large for headings, but for body text, medium is perfectly readable. Alright, now let us add some color. Right next to the Font Size button, you will see one that says Font Color. It usually looks like a capital A with a colored bar underneath it. Click that, and a color palette will pop up. This gives you a grid of standard colors to choose from. Maybe you want your text to be a nice dark blue, or a friendly green, or even a bold red. Just click on the color you like. And just like that, your highlighted text has changed to that color. Now that you have your text looking exactly how you want it, you can keep editing the rest of your email. You can change the font size and color on different parts of the message, add bullet points, or even change the font style if you want. Each time, just highlight the new text and use those same formatting tools. When you are happy with how everything looks, go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address and a subject line. Then click the Send button, and that is it. You have gone from sending plain, unformatted text to creating visually appealing, customized emails. I have found that taking just a few extra seconds to format your emails makes them so much easier to read and leaves a much better impression. So go ahead and give it a try in your next email. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.